recognizes the people's favorite and most trusted news program that consistently delivers trustworthy, unbiased, and up-to-date news that Filipinos can rely on.
The nominees are 24 Oras, TV Patrol, Frontline Pilipinas, Balitang A to Z, Mata ng Agita.
The VP Choice Award goes to TV Patrol from ABS-CBN.
Congratulations!
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Ako po si Ariel Rojas, weather actor ng TV Patrol. And sa kanan po ng TV Patrol, tinatagap po namin ang karangalang ito mula sa VP Choice Awards. Sa kanan po ng aming mga actors, field reporters, ang aming producers, writers, second producers, video editors, production assistants, technical operators, graphics team, linemen, on-demand, at lahat pa na empleyado na bumubuo sa TV Patrol. Maraming salamat. Next year po ay 40th anniversary na ng TV Patrol. So, maganda po itong pampagana pa, no? Sa nakalipas na 4 na dekada ay naging chronicler at witness sa kasaysayan ng TV Patrol. Kaya nagpapasalamat po kami sa patuloy niyo pang pagsuporta at pagtiwala sa amin mula sa inyong mga tahanan, sa TV man, sa radyo, or sa inyong devices. At mananatili po kami nandito, anumang hamon, anumang panahon, patuloy po pagtitikod saan man sa mundo. Sa kanan po ng ABS-CBN News in the service of the Filipino. Maraming salamat.
Congratulations to TV Patrol.
Tonight, we aren't just witnessing a win, but we are witnessing a legacy. For a historic 3-year winning streak as News Program of the Year, we officially induct TV Patrol as our newest VP Choice Awards Hall of Fame. Stargazer Podcast. Rose, our
This year. Thank you.
Saan po magganyang mukha?
Grabe, Caprice here. Yan, 1, 2, 3. Portrait tayo. 1, 2, 3. Sige, go, Lord.
Begin your piece.
Caprice. Good. Thank you, Hi, Caprice.
I'm wearing it's style to white, but of course. So, talagang white.
Sige please, pabati lang po sana ng happy birthday kay Andrew Angeles. Lagi na kayo pinapansin sa
Andrew
video.
Angeles, hello po. Happy birthday po. Enjoy your day.
Please, ma'am.
Up next, the People Campaign Champion Award.
Hindi ako nakapag-take yung kanina sa award namin sa Golden Series of Tomorrow, Diesel Series of the Year. I just want to say thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa amin from the start until natapos yung series. And of course, from Viva, maraming salamat sa mga Viva bosses for the opportunity. And for the supporters na sumuporta sa amin from the start, Will Bears, mga OSA, Will Bear Voting Team, this is for you. Sa lahat ng team din namin behind the cameras, Direct Victor at the people behind na kasama namin habang binubuo yung series. Maraming salamat.
Congratulations, Will Bea. I myself am a supporter. I'm a fan of that pairing, yeah. And now, next, the People Campaign Champion Award. It recognizes nominees.
Ito ang pinaka-fresh ng mama, oh. Fresh ng Boracay. Fresh ng Boracay.